Bangude tawa fry, also known as the Indian mackerel or bangda, is a culinary treasure from the coastal paradise of Mangalore. This recipe could be replicated with any fish of your choice. Mangalore fish rava fry recipe is already uploaded on my channel. Link is in the description. Step 1 is marinating the fish with some salt, turmeric and the juice of 1 whole lime. This is the first and the basic marination. I have made some deep gashes into the fish so that the spices seep in well. This marination of salt, turmeric and lemon juice helps in eliminating any strong fishy odor, makes the flesh more tender, and it also has certain antimicrobial properties. Marinate it nicely on both sides and set it aside for 10 minutes till we make the second marination. Make sure that you apply this marination even inside the fish. You could also use vinegar or tamarind pulp instead of the lemon juice. For the second marination, mix all the ingredients listed on the screen to get a creamy consistency. Traditionally, this recipe would be made by grinding fresh spices. However, this is a quick version which can be done by using powdered spices and it tastes delicious. Some people also like to add an egg to the marination. This marination is always kept ready in any Mangalorean restaurant that has tawa fry on their menu. Don't make the masala too thick or too runny. Keep it of a creamy consistency so that it adheres nicely to the fish. You could also substitute the rice flour with some corn flour, or you could use a mixture of both. Apply the marination nicely to the fish and set it aside for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. You could also refrigerate it. Put the marination nicely to the deep slits that we have made and also to the inside of the fish. Step 2 is frying the fish. Take some coconut oil in a pan and allow it to get very hot. Do not drop the fish unless the oil is piping hot, otherwise the masala won't stick to the fish. You could check by dropping some batter into the fish, and if it floats instantly, then it's ready. Now drop the fish one by one. Make sure you do not overcrowd the oil with too many fishes at once. Once you drop the fish, turn the gas from low to medium and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add some masala on the top of the fish. Be very careful while doing this as the oil may splatter. I'm adding around 10 to 15 curry leaves so that its flavor also gets infused with the coconut oil. I'm also going to add some hot oil on top of the fish so that the coating on the top also gets fixed to it and doesn't get disturbed when I'm flipping it over. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip it over, cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes and then you're done. Make sure that you keep regulating the temperature of the oil. It doesn't get too low or it doesn't get too high and it stays on medium. The Mangalore Bangude tawa fry is ready. Serve it with some sliced onion and lime. Mangalore typically has 3 types of fish fry recipe: rava fry, tawa fry and the masala fry. Rava fry recipe is already uploaded on the channel and I will upload a masala fry recipe soon. Try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section about how you felt about it. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do like, comment and share the video. Thank you.